Clever Frame is a modular system of aluminium frames, which will change your promotional activities for good, and organisation of any company event will be much easier because you have at your disposal the most innovative system on the market. Clever Frame has been designed to allow you to build both small and big fair stands, promotional islands, event sceneries and sponsorship walls, from the smallest forms to big monumental constructions. Clever Frame has been created to give you the opportunity to adjust your promotional area by means of unlimited construction possibilities. Treat Clever Frame as blocks with which you can build practically anything. Your imagination is the only limitation. Clever Frame is based on a frame. It's made of an aluminium profile and its width is 5 centimeters, thanks to which it is unbelievably strong and stable, as well as light, so that it can be carried easily. There are 2 types of holes in the profile. Small for joints connecting the frames, and the other technical for placing lighting cables and mounting accessories. Frames are available in different sizes. Your configuration is constructed by joining frames together. It's done easily by means of aluminium profiles, which are tightened by hand. You don't need any tools and anyone can do it. Graphical panels are attached to frames by means of magnet and Velcro. The system is double-sided, so you can attach the panels on both sides. It's really easy. Just move the panels close to the wall. The panels are made of stiff and light plates, covered with photorealistic printing. There are many other finishing possibilities available, such as panels finished with fabric or translucent ones. You can build your set out of many panels to use them interchangeably. Clever Frame is fully portable. Because of the wheels that are attached to the frames through the joints, transport is easy. Forget about big and heavy boxes. Should you need any help in terms of mounting, transport and storage, we're here to help. The system features a variety of accessories, which will make your construction even more functional. The accessories include lamps for lighting the graphical panels, doors for a back office, and special moving hinges, thanks to which you'll make a corner within a minute. Clever Frame is, first of all, a measurable financial profit. You will use it for many years and for many purposes. If you go for Clever Frame, for example at a fair, you eliminate the necessity of ordering fair equipment each time, which, apart from being economical for you, will also be friendly for the environment. Just think about the heaps of litter left after dismantling single-use stands. Clever Frame eliminates this problem because you can have a new shape of stand based on the same frame set. Think about the money you can save. You can also add other modules at any time. Remember that all frames can be connected with each other, and you decide what shape and size you'll get on the basis of your set. Order Clever Frame and you'll find out that it's made right for you. The product is as eco-friendly as possible, easy to use and to transport. It's an indispensable tool for any marketing department and enables you to arrange any size, any shape and any space. It's a product which merges innovation and measurable financial profits, and it's a product which will meet all your requirements. Just build your space.